Hi, welcome to Skinova Aesthetics. I'm Claudia Bogdan. Today we're going to talk about exosomes, what are the benefits and the differences between them for skin rejuvenation and hair regrowth. Exosomes are nano-sized vesicles that play a crucial role in cell communication and tissue regeneration. They are widely used in regenerative medicine and aesthetic treatments, including hair restoration and face rejuvenation. However, not all exosomes are same. Here is a breakdown of 4 main types of exosomes: lab-based, plant-based, animal-based, and human-derived exosomes. Lab-based are artificially created exosomes produced in laboratory setting. They lack the full range of natural growth factors. Limited clinical studies supporting their long-term efficiency. Plant-based exosomes are derived from different plants, fruits, vegetables, or herbs. These exosomes are gaining popularity in skin rejuvenation and hair restoration. Plant-based exosomes are rich in antioxidant, plant-based growth factors, and vitamins, but they lack the human-compatible growth factor, which is needed for optimal hair regeneration. Limited research on efficiency for hair follicle stimulation. Animal-based exosomes are extracted from animal sources, such as bovine or porcine tissues. These exosomes contain protein and growth factors derived from animal placentas, milk, or tissues. The disadvantage of using animal exosome is to have an immune rejection or allergic reaction. Also ethical and safety concern due to potential disease transmission. Moderate effectiveness in stimulating hair follicles, but not as safe or potent as human-derived exosomes. Finally, human-derived exosomes are best for hair regrowth and skin regeneration. This category includes bone marrow-derived exosomes, placental tissue exosomes, and amniotic fluid-derived exosomes, which are the gold standard in human regenerative aesthetics. At Skinova Aesthetics, we are using amniotic fluid-derived exosomes, extracted from ethically sourced human tissues, such as amniotic fluid. They contain high concentration of growth factors, which is essential for cellular repair and regeneration. Highest biocompatibility with human cells, packed with anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, and regenerative properties. It promotes hair follicles regeneration, increasing density and thickness, is safe and free from high risk of immune rejection. So you may ask why Skinova Aesthetics are using amniotic fluid exosomes. At Skinova Aesthetics, we prioritize safety, efficiency, and cutting-edge regenerative medicine. Amniotic fluid-derived exosomes are the best option because they deliver unmatched regenerative power for hair and skin rejuvenation and are ethically sourced with no risk of immune rejection and promotes rapid healing and long-term benefits. By choosing Skinova's amniotic fluid-derived exosomes, you are investing in the most advanced, natural and effective solution for hair growth and skin rejuvenation. If you want to know more about these exosomes, you can visit our website or you can call us on the given number